eyelashes. Look at his long eyelashes. Look at those.
Hi. What are we doing? We're here walking at Bird Park, eating my fingers. My favorite toy. What? Talk to mommy. What's up?
That little bulldog was walking with his butt on the asphalt.
Reminds me of Vinny.
Sue. Having a beautiful, nice walk in the sun.
Hello. Tony, how's that lollipop?
It's a good lollipop. It's my last one. So
It's your last one?
I'm trying to make it last.
Wow. Isn't it a beautiful day? It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's a nice day out. We're here in the park, walking. Lots of kids and parents. There's a nice playground in the back there. There's a place here for the kids to play. Up there, there's something where they play music in concerts or whatever they do. It's fun. I want to see this with snow. That's my baby again.
Yeah, you talking to me? What are you talking about? You glad you're for a walk? Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, it's so nice.
It's
and
very
peaceful.
content.
Yeah. Wait until we get home and he's out of the stroller.
You very happy?
I want to go run in this grass. Oh, see? There's parents there running with the kids. And here's mommy. Hello. That's my baby. See you guys later.
Tell me some more. Talk to me some more. Come on. Talk to me some more. Can you feel the wind? Yeah? Yeah?
What? Cadê? Oi! Cuido! Bye-bye, Logan. Ciao. See you later. Ciao.